Now we'll take out the master window switch. We'll use a clip remover tool like this, and then we'll punch in the tool in the corner right there. There it is, the cover is taken apart. Now we'll be taking out two plugs behind, one right here and the other one right there. To take out the plug, we would need to press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. There it is, the first plug is taken out. Similar way, we'll take out the second plug. Just press and hold that tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. Once both the plugs are taken out, that is how we take out the master window switch. Once that is taken out, notice from behind there are two tabs on the corner right there. Then from the other side, one more tab right here and one final tab at the bottom right there. So there are no screws, we just have to take it out by pushing those tabs. What I'll be doing is I'll be using the similar clip remover tool. We'll try punching in this tool right there, just like that. And from the other hand, on the other side, notice I am giving it a push. There you notice the top side is pulled out. Similar way, we'll take out the bottom one. You would notice both of these tabs are pulled out. We'll keep this side the way it is and we'll jump on to the other side. We'll also try to push both of these tabs. Again, just make sure you are pushing the buttons from this side right here. And from the other side, we will just push this plastic cover so that the window switch completely comes out. You may have to keep on doing this back and forth until the complete master window switch is pulled out. There you see the window switch is pulled out, and that is how we take out the master window switch for this door. In my case, this is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new master window switch and you want to install it back, just make sure the shape of the buttons from the front, they all should match with the shape of the cover right there. You would notice there's one flat button right here. It goes towards the cover right there, and the bigger buttons go on top. So we'll carefully go ahead and punch in the window switch on top of the cover, making sure it is also looking good from behind. Once good, then we make sure these tabs 1, 2 and then 3, 4, all those tabs are punched inside the cover. There it is, it's in from inside, also in from the other side. One more time, pressing it down to make sure it's completely in, and also making sure it's looking good from the front side. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and punch in both of these plugs that we took out earlier. The blue color plug goes at the bottom with the tab side facing downwards. Once in position, then we will just press the plug down until we hear a clicking sound. First plug is in, also not coming out. Now we'll punch in the white color plug. Again, make sure the tab side is facing downwards. Then we slide in the plug and then press it down until we hear a clicking sound. Both the plugs are completely in. Now just make sure on the top side there's that plastic cover coming out. So that side has to go in that position right there. We'll just punch in the window switch like that. Once that side is in, now we'll press the other side downwards. There it is completely in, and also the buttons are working fine as well. With that, we are done with the replacement of master window switch for this door. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.